My name is Archi. I'm from Bhopal. I always wanted to go for designing. From class 8 onwards, I decided that I'll be going for designing. The modules which were given in BRDS helped me a lot, and it deals with everything, whatever designing thing is related to. It had metaphors, perspectives, then anatomy, then doodling. All these things helped me a lot for to enhance my creative skills. Then the basic knowledge were given, and apart from that, we were also told how to be creative, how to think in a different manner. Earlier I was very confused, but after coming here I was told about the various streams which are offered over here. So it was a very nice experience. The faculty is very nice. They are very cooperative. They are always ready to help us out and solve our problems. So at last I would like to thank BRDS for providing such a good facility for us and giving such a nice opportunity for students from all over India to learn about designing, to know about designing as a career option. So it's a very nice place to get in. Now I'm selected in NID. Apart from my hard work, the credit goes to BRDS. So I would like to thank the BRDS faculty and everyone who helped me out to reach till here.